can't take me. I'ma cross over and break your ankles. I'm a highlight. Now watch me shine, watch me shine, watch me shine. Ball hard, he can't take me. I'ma cross over and break your ankles. I'm a highlight. Now watch me shine, watch me shine, watch me shine.
Hello guys, this is Asif Khan from Community TV. Today we are going to talk about very interesting subject, which is the shared economy concept that has been introduced by a number of companies, including Uber, Skip the Dishes, DoorDasher, and so on and so forth. The company that I'm going to talk about is called Onus Worldwide. And this company does exactly the same thing like Uber, but the only difference is Uber transport the passengers, give rights to the passengers, but Onus Worldwide, what they do is they are Uber of couriers. So what they do is, in the shared economy concept, they deliver packages exactly in the same fashion as Uber does, with the riders. So how does it work and how things operate in this domain? I'm going to talk about two perspectives. One is from the shipper perspective and the other one is from the driver's perspective. So I'm going to cover the shipper perspective first. Let's say you are a lawyer or you have a store and you have recently started online deliveries, or you have been doing online deliveries through different means, whether it's Canada Post, your postal service, or through regular courier companies, which include Fedex, UPS, and Purolator. Now you are looking to find some alternatives, the best plan and the best packages, the best pricing for your online deliveries. So Onus Worldwide could be one of the choices available to you. What you do here is, you ship the package. Let's say you are an online store, or you are a store and you have received about 10 orders online and you want to ship them. So what you do is you call one driver, and at one time that driver can pick 10 different packages to deliver to 10 different customers. So that is a possibility with this app. Now this app is available on the Google App Stores as well as on Apple stores. You can go and it's free of cost, and you can download this app and you can start using this app. Okay, now how it's going to work, I'm going to show you some dynamics of how things are, what the app looks like. So here it is, the overview of the app here. So if you look at it, this blue color logo, Onus, is the app. You go inside, you insert your information. If you are not the member, you sign up, you provide all the information, telephone number, address, phone number, and all that stuff, and then where you are and where you want to send the document. So destination place and the place that the package has to start. Pick the option that you have, less than 20 pounds or less than 10 pounds. If you want insurance, it's good. If not, if you want insurance, declare the package amount, that the package is worth $20, and this is the thing. And you get the receipt like this, and you accept the terms, and you're good to go. I'm going to talk about the fixed cost and the kilometers per kilometer charges. And this is our address in California, from where we started this organization. The organization was launched, this company was launched last year, 2019, in San Francisco. And after the successful operations there, we did the pilot test in San Francisco and in United States, few areas. Now, after the successful launch in the United States, this company is being launched here in Canada, and it's going to start from GTA. And it's an opportunity for you to avail the services. There are two pricing that I would like to touch upon. One is there's a flat fee if you have a package which is up to 10 pounds. There's a flat fee of $3, and then per kilometer it's 69 cents. Now, if your package weighs 10 to 20 pounds, then there's a flat fee of $15. $15, and it's again the same kilometer fee, which is 69 cents. So let's say if your starting point is our address, our head office in the Mississauga region, 2359 Royal Windsor Drive, and your destination is 1147 Lakeshore Road. It is about 10 kilometers, let's say. It is actually less, but I'm just picking it up to explain it to you. It's about 10 kilometers. So you pay $3, the flat fee, and you also pay 69 cents per kilometers, which is $6.9, $6.90. If you add that flat fee, it comes to about $9.99. So for 10 kilometers of a distance, you can actually be paying about $10 your shipping cost. Now, in the couriers, if you are trying to ship the product, it is usually overnight, unless you are in downtown and there are a few mom-pop shops who deliver, on the cycles, by foot, by walk, basically. They deliver it, within few hours. In this service, you can have the delivery even within, within minutes. Let's say if something is 4 kilometers, apart, or the proximity is about, 4 kilometers, you can have as quick as, as quick delivery as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So the driver has to pick up the product and just ship it. And you can track the package, where it is now, and how soon it's going to reach. And they're going to call you, the driver, before the delivery, and then you have to sign out the package once it's delivered to you. So these are the dynamics that I wanted to share with you. Now let's come to the part of drivers. Because of this pandemic and the virus COVID-19, a lot of people have lost their jobs. So this is an opportunity where people could start working and have an opportunity to to start from somewhere. They can do part-time, they can do full-time, depending upon what the circumstances are. So you can earn up to $2,000 a week in this opportunity. And how does it work? It's simple. There are two apps. One is for the shipper, which is Onus worldwide, and one is for the drivers. So the drivers app is called Onus Driver. You register yourself there. The only two requirements that we have is, one, you upload your driver's license. Number two, you upload your car insurance, your vehicle insurance, and that's all. There is no other catch. There is no other documents that you have to upload, because unlike Uber, where you have interaction, or where you encounter passengers and there's a human engagement there. So that's why they ask for a number of other documents, which includes emission test and the safety test of the car, and the car has to be newer, the car has to be safer, and so on and so forth. So in this there is absolutely nothing, because there is no human interaction. You're just delivering the package as long as the car is running on the road, which means the car is passed by the ministry, and you have the insurance, you have the driver's license. Upload all that in your in the app Onus Driver, and you can start as soon as tomorrow. So it's as simple as that. So you can try it out, and if you think that this is for you, just continue it, and if you think it is not for you, then just discontinue it. So give it a try. It's one of the best opportunities, I'm telling you. And for the shippers, it's one of the opportunities that is available to you now. Earlier you may have different options and different choices, Canada Post or Postal Service or courier companies. Now you have another option of Onus. Along with the other services, if you're using and you're comfortable and you have the high trust level there, you can try Onus on the side and see how Onus worldwide can build the trust in you, and down the road, possibly if you feel comfortable, you can shift all your packaging to Onus worldwide, and we can also offer the corporate discounted rates, which are really worthwhile checking out. So with this, I will conclude this program. If you have any question, you can always give us a call. Our number is 905-823-6039, 905-823-6039. Once again, this is Asif Khan from Community TV, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself.